This is an introduction video of E Lite Smart City iNet IoT Central Management System. Click the top right corner to select the system language. Then, use your username and passwords to log into the system platform. The leftmost list displays all projects under this account. Click a project in the list to access relevant information. From the top, left to right, we have a summary of the number of streets under this project, equipment installed, alert report, and energy saving statistics. In the middle, it displays the online status and number of the installed fixtures and equipment. At the bottom left corner, we have the map, which indicates the gateways and the light control units, the LCUs, locations. At the bottom right corner, we have the pie chart showing the light's remaining use time. When a light's remaining use time is less than a certain pre-specified threshold, the system will issue an alert to remind the user. Now, let's go to the device management section. Click Light Nodes to access the list of light control units. Click the pole's name for editing. Then, we have information for the MAC address, the online status, the gateway this LCU belongs to, the gateway's online status, the brightness, the location, the light control unit's temperature, voltage, current, power consumption, remaining use time. These are the statistics for grid power. The latter statistics are for solar power. We have the information for battery voltage, battery state, charging or not. Since we have lux sensor installed to the LCU, we also have the lux indicated here. The last update label indicates the most recent data uploaded time from the LCU to the gateway. Should the light be solar powered, click the solar parameter icon to access the current light mode. We have two default modes here. The first one is the constant lighting mode, which the lights will be on at a predetermined brightness for all time. The second one is the sensor mode, which the light operates at 30% brightness when no one is nearby and brightens up to 100% for half a minute when a person or a vehicle passes by. We have provide a preset customized mode, which the light will be fully on for 4 hours and then dim to 30% afterwards. Should you set your own scheduling, choose customized mode to individualize your own mode. Click Gateway to access the list of gateways. It displays the gateway's name, MAC address, the number of nodes under this gateway, online status, location. We are able to turn the lights associated with this gateway on, off, or dim them to a certain percentage. The following functions on the right are for gateways configurations. Lock the gateway to freeze the current gateway's network. Unlock the gateway to enable it to search and connect to newly added light control units. Click Parameter Configuration to see detailed configurations of the gateway, including its software version, channel, IP address. Click Angle to set the fixture tilted angle threshold that will set off the system alert. Click Solar Configuration to apply different lighting modes to solar lights. First, choose a command delivery method. A gateway may communicate with various groups of LCUs. If you want to apply a mode to all LCUs under this gateway, choose Broadcast. If you only want to apply a mode to certain group of LCUs, choose Multicast and key in the group number in the box. Then, simply click the Send icon, located at the end of each mode, to apply. Should you wish to assign the gateway to a different road or area, simply click Move Area to switch the gateway controlling region. Next, let's go to the map section. The gateway icon displays the number of LCUs it controls. Click the number, we may view the detailed locations of the associated LCUs. Click a light to access its basic information. We may also turn the light on or off in this information pop-up window. Drag and relocate the gateway to move its displayed location on the map. Click Save to update the new location on the map. We can also drag and relocate the LCUs. To save the new displayed location, simply right-click to access a quick toolbar on the right. In this toolbar, we can remove the LCU, link the LCU to another gateway, update its information, or turn it on or off. To add a new LCU or gateway on the map, move the mouse to any empty area and right-click to see options. Click Device Location. A window will pop up and key in the MAC address for the device that you wish to add. Click Confirm to finish adding. On the top left corner, we may also search devices by their MAC address. Now, we move to the fault management section. When a device fault occurs, it will be displayed in this current fault report list. Click Fault History to access past device fault alerts. When a fault alert is issued, click Repair Assignment to assign staffs to attend the problem. The selected staff will receive notifications via text message, email, or WhatsApp notifications. When the fault may be resolved on the CMS platform, you may also click Repair Fault or Delete Report once you resolve it. Now, let's go to the Statistics Report section. At the top, you may designate a period of time for the report. Click Export Report to download. The statistics are divided into grid power and solar power. We have the summary for total power consumptions, energy saving rates, and electricity bill. In the middle, we have a line charts for daily light-up rate and daily power consumption. For grid-powered lights, we also have a side-by-side bar graph comparison for the daily power consumptions of traditional lights and LED lights. Moving to the Policy Settings section, we can create our own lights on and lights off rules here. Since the policy is always linked to a specific group of LCUs, we need to first create a group. Click Add Group and enter the name. Check the box on the left to select LCUs you wish to include in this group. Remember to click Save Group Changes. Next, click Add Policy and enter the policy name. Now, the new policy is created, but it has no rules under this policy. There are two main policies, policy by time or by photosensor. If the LCU has photocell installed, we may create a photocell policy. Designate a lower threshold of the ambient lux to turn on the lights. You may also decide to what brightness the lights will be after the policy is triggered. Similarly, designate an upper threshold of the ambient lux to turn the lights off or dim them down to a certain level. We can even implement photocell and time scheduling policies simultaneously. Click Add and create a time scheduling policy. Select a policy type of customized time or by sunrise and sunset. In the customized scheduling type, we may choose the policy to be repeated daily, weekly, or monthly. Then, set a start time and end time for the lights on period. We may also set the brightness when the lights are on. When a time scheduling policy is set, the default is to disable the photocell policy. Should you switch on the photocell policy, it is higher triggering priority than the time scheduling policy. Click Next to add additional policy. We have two policies in this set now. Click Save Policy to finish setting. Now, we need to assign this set of policies to a group of LCUs. Go back to Group Setting and click the new group we created a bit earlier. Click Link Policies and select the set of policies we just created. Click Save and Synchronize to Gateway to send this set of policies to the gateway and apply to the LCUs. Next, let's go to the Inventory section. This section is designed to summarize and show the number of all different devices here and their corresponding remaining use time. At the top right corner, click the user icon and click Profile to see or modify users' information. Click Manage Users to add or delete sub-account and repair personnel. When there are too many projects, we can create sub-account and associate it with certain projects for better management. When a sub-account is created, we can go to Account Type to choose whether this is a read-only account or a write account. A read-only account is restricted from operations like lights on or off, policy settings, and repair assignment. It only has access to statistics summaries. In our example, the last account is created as a repair personnel. When a device's fault is pending to be attended, we can assign this repair staff in the Fault Management section. Back to the top right corner user icon, click Manage Projects to edit projects information. Click Edit to access a single project's information page. We may edit the project name, language. We may also edit the company name, company logo, which will be displayed the top left corner. You can choose the alarm type between server or gateway. The server alarm is relying on the device's status report, whereas the gateway alarm is relying on the gateway's system self-diagnostics. When the alert notification is set on Yes, the pop-up notification is allowed when alerts are issued. Choose the project type depending on whether this is a solar project, utility project, or a mixture of both. The angle alert is on. We have shown earlier that such function enables alerts when the fixture is tilted too much. Now, we switch on the correlated color temperature function. Click Edit and save. Now, if we refresh the page, we will see CCT becomes an editable icon in the Gateway section. We may now change the CCT for the lights. We may even add a policy to change the color temperature based on time. This is the entire introduction video for E Lite Smart City iNet IoT Central Management System. Should you have any question, you are more than welcome to contact our team.